How to change your TikTok password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can change your password on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to change your password on TikTok, what you have to do is just make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. In order to change your password, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now keep in mind that you don't need to remember your old password in order to change your password on TikTok. You can do this if you have access to your email address or phone number which you've added to your account. So in order to change our password, tap on the three lines which you see at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll find the option called Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Once you go to Settings and Privacy, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Just go to the one that says Account at the very top. Once you go to the option called Account, select the option called Password. Now it will ask me to enter the verification code sent to one of your numbers or email address. In my case, it automatically verified itself because I have the autofill option. Now what you have to do is, you can see it says me to change the password. Now what you can do is just enter the new password which you want to use. It needs to be at least 8 characters and 20 characters at the maximum. Should include one letter and one number, one special character, examples such as hashtag, question mark, exclamation, $, and or @. Make sure you choose a strong password, but at the same time also make sure that it's very memorable. So just go ahead and enter your new password. Once you enter your password, if you're not sure what you've typed in, just tap on the I button on the right hand side of the screen in order to view it. Or else, what you could do is tap on the next button over here in order to confirm the changes and change your password. Now you can log into TikTok using your new password. This is the way to change your password on TikTok without remembering our old password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.